The last video that y'all saw a couple of days ago was when I was down here at the river when it was raining, and that was the day of the hurricane Sally. And this is Friday. The hurricane came through the area about Wednesday, all day long, and that's how much rain. Oh, that's the river, as you can see right through there. That's the river where it's flowing. I ain't going any further. I'm staying up here on this dry ground up here. I ain't got no four-wheel drive. But the banks, you can see where the end of on the backside of them trees right there, that's where it drops off. And that's where the embankment is. So it's normally, I don't know, about 20 feet down at the bottom. I mean, it's high embankments. If you went kayaking, you'll see how high the banks are. And this is how high the water is. It's way up over the banks, all the way up yonder, all the way down yonder. But I'm going to take you to the boat ramp, and we go down here to the boat ramp and see what it looks like. This is getting close to the boat ramp. Right back there is where I was a while ago. So if it's up this high, as you can see, the boat ramp kind of goes up a little bit of a hill, and we're going to look at it. Well, this is the boat ramp. This is at the very top of the hill of the boat ramp. As you can see right there's the edge of the boat ramp. That's like the very top. And you see the very top of the rocks. And the boat ramp, it goes way down yonder.
Wow. Well, I know where I'm going to be tomorrow.
Yeah. Some random guy come up, seeing what I'm doing. There, there's a little turnaround where you can turn your truck around. That's even underwater, and that's up on a 30, 40, 50 foot, I don't know. But this river is real high. That means okay, if you don't know where I'm at, in Newton, Alabama, there is a motocross track right over here. And let me back up. Okay, that's good. I'll just shut it off right here. Okay. Ain't nobody gonna mess with that truck, man. Got Donald Trump decal on the back, got a rebel flag on it, so they see that, they know what not to do. I ain't going too far from it. I'm staying within, I can see it. But I just want to walk down, kind of give you a little bit better of a suspect of whatever you call it. Better idea. Somebody's been with a four-wheel drive truck coming down here spinning tires and mudding and stuff. But yeah, That is the river. It's in the trees. It's not at the trees. It's literally in it. And you can see right there, the river's over here. And you can see right here where it's flowing. And that's at the top of the bank and it's flowing over. Okay, from where I'm looking at now, from where the truck is, from where I've been filming, I'm gonna end the video here pretty shortly and head to the house. As you can see, how the water, I can see right there. See how it's just flowing right out of the ground? I think. Or is it? Yeah, it's actually, no, that's the tide. It's like a tide coming in. Flood water. See if I can get up. It's like the water's coming in and then it's going back out. It's coming in and it's going back out. It's doing the same thing over there. That means we got more water coming from up north, from upstream. But what I was going to show you, that's the motocross track. There's I don't know what county road that is, that goes toward, going that way, you're going to go to Daleville. And there is a trailer, as you can see. The water is almost up to the window of that trailer. And back over on where that road is, there's the motocross track. Hang on, maybe we can get a better view over. That telephone pole is going to be in the way a little bit. Daggone. Yeah, that's the best I can do. The water's almost at the top of the biggest jump that they jump on them dirt bikes. I would say that's about 5 or 6 feet from being at the top. So, good night, man. And there's a little creek right here. And this creek actually goes all the way nearly to where my house is. And as you can see, it's actually, okay, you see this tree right there? That's on the other side of the creek. And that bush, it's like between that bush and that bush. Let's see. You gotta watch your footing, because when the flood waters come, it turns it causes rattlesnakes and other wildlife to come ashore, and you don't want to step on them. Like, say, alligator, for instance. This water is definitely going to drive some alligators up. They're going to head to high ground. Yeah. Well, anyway, that's the current flood state up in Newton. You don't want to know what downstream from us is Clayhatchie, Geneva, and then it goes on down into Florida. All this water is heading toward Geneva. And in Geneva, the P River, that's where this river and the P River converges in Geneva. Geneva may be underwater if the levee holds. There's somebody else coming up here, but I'm gonna end the video, guys. Let y'all go at it. All right, then. Stay safe.